Hey, man, I come me. Isioluk or that widow. One song. Why I tell you, Isioluk or that widow? Don't play more time where I meet you. And when I meet you, you regret me.
Hello, my people. Wahala, the finish for those cyberspace. Nah. From Victor don't break table leg finish for Isioluk body. Hey, una know say their saga. They say no go finish. He say when e no go do in the afternoon, he go do in the evening. Isioluk go hear word. He go know. He go learn in a very hard way. I go put the video for una because una know say wetin concern Abiyuwa also instinct dey for inside. E dey carry Abiyuwa dey waka because of Ikwagege. Una understand na anywhere where they see Ikwagege, they will dey see Isioluk for them. Frank talk many things for this video wey una go watch, so I go just put am for una lis ten. I know say dem fit get their own gbasgbos e fit dey grand. So this one now, e be like say dem no wan leave am for waste at all because e dey do pass itself, and e be like say Abiyuwa con go still carry juju come out. Hey, me I no understand that one. That one all just still dey body because I no understand that. You no be social media person wey be say they toast you. He say no dey do again. I no understand. The more no vex. So some women they no dey respect themselves. Not use yourself take the beg man they go. Now man supposed to dey beg you. So I go put the video where be say from Victor do message to Isioluk, the woto not be here. That's what it's supposed to be, man to man. When it comes to woman, you know, say that Isioluk they get power for woman body. Me, I put the video for now. Let me share this video now. Bye for now.
Yeah. Please, anybody will know my stepson, invite him here now and share this video because he got bloody and he must bloody. Invite my stepson. Me, I don't get time for your rubbish video. I am not a Nogi. This is from Omoswo. Unogbekola. Ayoyowa. Ashi will be master. Kokobini vandalization. Now me sit down here so. Larry, see your I am here alone. Because I don't let the beat one person. It's not suitable. I want to beat Vivian alongside. No, let Otabo who die with gratitude to God. A life don't waste spend. A life don't waste spend with the family of Otabo to grant with grief and anger announce the death of their brother who lives in Germany with a wife called Vivian, who died with anger, who died with hungry. Otabo died with hungry. 6 good months Otabo did not eat. He did not drink Vivian food because of adulterous, which Ajebo was leading Vivian. Oh, one basia. Ajebo, sit down. I tell you, say, this year when we did so, woman take time, you go collect not be woto. Cause woto, not the rain again. Now, na grenade. It is spread down. Hey, are you boy? Back, go, ati begbe, ati wo. You never see anything. You go right. You go tired. No example. Over bonya lawe me. I never come here. I will tell you something. Full-born street boy will not get hard. Elema for that matter. If I bought Ogmog Miraglis, what Jebo, Jeto, Jebo, come out on live video. I want to see you there live. I want to see you shed tears. I want to see you say, hey, Frank Victor Muslim, me not the swoon for your matter because I'm going to clear you with fact and proof. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Hey, are you boy? If I'm lie, we don't lie. I told you I must migrate your mother for Europe for Ali Wele, Ali blah blah. He must have made where you one corner. One corner. You have one corner. Swear. Yes, I will buy your mother this ring. I will buy your mother Pinocchio pants. Oh God. The wonder you are a very dirty pig. No wonder you are a doer. So duacious, so bedocious, so delicious, so zoolicious. You are in which way that I will. First of all, I will take your mother to a supermarket. I will buy her a very marker clothes, fill up your pants, jeans ring. I will buy her ties, spaghetti hand, pack up breast, pack up bra. Oh God, that your mama breast with me. Love ya. I go manage and don't worry. I go manage that. That your love ya, a puria breast of your mother. That a legal blah of your mommy. Umemi a gbeke o mommy. Umemi a salo wotu. That your love ya my breast. I go buy a packing breast. It's a packing breast. If you not pack out, whether I say Saha, whether I say Saha, go where they can be. You have me to wear the bobby, drag it off, put ring here. I have to wear fish and you no where the nipple be. Let me put my hand. You are la the nipple in one. Sis or lavia. Aviele. Every lover, every. My brother help me to pack it off and put a wedding ring here. Let me wear the breast, I will not wear the yash. Let me wear the bombi because I love nipple. I'm a Napoli master. Very soon they'll call me Napoli master, Napoli mayor. Any bombi that is pointed and Napolize it. When boy, even though he's a fallen hero, the breast is a fallen hero. I will try to manage the fallen hero. The dead among the living breast, I will manage it. And the boy you will assume. Oh, you want to run? Don't run. Why are you running? Why are you running? You have to run. You do not make a You know that and you want to try to form and do saga with me. Who would go to Facebook if I was like you with me. If you want you just be away in it. Every me want bon. Eramen. Literally de okay. Ramen be woman me. Literally de okay. Be woman me. When Bob the best guy. No win and win and anybody. Where Bob me. Where best guy. If you well wrong, no matter what in your was, I can you. Oh, where's your no taboya, good tabo, let you go. Erabo, ya, whatever boss who go. Oh, yes, Salome, oh, let go away. Oh, yeah. But your man, oh, the other. Iyo wa ha o yeri ni yeke la ma ni mu yeke no mo gu mu yeke no o mu yeke no ni mu yeke no iyo ro ya mu yeke no o ya ge ajebo obo adiju egbe is my wife. I so much love your mother. Sika ngbovu he de ga o iyo wa fun my car. Oh don't me ajebo we do with agime because okay Vivian o hi we ma so Vivian who you were or master Vivian because Vivian bachelor for many years in abroad. Oh God. Vivian big wall big way. It's a road check of Bomiliki. Vivian is a road side of Bomiliki. Where you can eat try. Where Vivian you are tractor. You are just managing a webinar. Oh, where you managing politician. What the woman? Où est le works? Où est Vivian? Où est Vivian c'est remnant. Ni yo mo etu ana wa egbomu, I wa gbo my brother. Où est Vivian e bogben? Eni isi osa. Me ke ya mu go yogun. I me ka da mo ni. I ge na udazi. Aye mi egbo na. I part 1 and 2. I part 1 and 2. I part. Here can no God. Here can part 1 and 2. Oh, I part 1 and 2. You know, no, I go nowhere. I came here ready. I don't feel baby you. Go let's get me go down. It's a rushing hour. Let me rush this woman. This speckle's tired. This speckle's fresh. This speckle's carry grace. God, send my father, my maker. Father Lord, I shall begin to pray now. Let me encounter with speckles that carry grace. Give me speckles that carry grace. Begin to fire prayer. Don't go and encounter with a widow. Isioluk. Speckles that carry grace, I will not give you grace. Speckles that will lift you up. Speckles that will elevate you. Speckles that will respect you. Oh my God, you don't understand. Oh. Many people will ask you, oh, one year bonus one ya. Almost one I put it muna. I don't know what's one. Yes, now. Oh, we are one Agbohenka, I go to year bonnet. Oh, go I wonderful. Agbohenka, I go to year bonnet. Eh, bo. Oh, do you know there's difference between having a sincere woman, a woman that understands the kind of person you are and still ready to cope with you. He does not care about what you do, but he cares about your heart, the godly heart that you have. Oh my God. Oh. You get what I'm saying? I get to you were after the weight of a woman. You were after the car. Or Yukbo or Tiago. That was your goal. That was your target now, bro. That's why you are stagnant today. Bro, don't play. This is not saga, this is reality about your lifestyle. You get what I'm saying? This is reality about your life. A lot of you guys come to Europe, you're just after this women that has money, that has a lot of girls who work for them, go to road work for prostitution. That's what you guys are after. Beanie guys. A lot of beanie guys, this is what they're after in abroad. They are not after sincerity. They don't love this women. They are after the money of this women. They just want to go into a relationship with this women because of their wealth, not for love. This is why no one will feel like me. I'll continue telling you the truth. Especially that's useless or me. I'm not go up and look at what. Now I'm saying because I'm not only wounded. You understand? Call alongside with Bugman. No, when you're done, alongside with don't when you're done. These niggas out there does not love these women. These bitches out there. You know what I'm saying? They don't love these bitches. They are after these bitches money and those their pussy, whatever the document they have. They just want to grab document. Not after love. If you sincerely love a woman, you try to make a lot of changes in that woman. They will see that woman looking global, looking shiny, looking beautiful. You spend money on that niggas out there. You know what I'm saying? You spend a hell of money on that bitches out there. People out there see your beautiful woman. They will say, who? Kudos to these niggas out there who are spending 10 niggas money on this woman. But what do you get from this all these gigolo guys? They're after this money. They don't love this woman. They just want to cheat all their money, grab their show them love, which is not real, fake love everywhere. You know what I'm saying? This is what you guys are after. And that's why I'm here to expose you guys' atrocity over these things out there with it. You get what I'm saying? And then when you go change from your evil ways. Where my woman Vivian. Well, you know by yourself where woman love Vivian. Because of where you can't go from, you can't go back. You better stay safe. That's where you're with Vivian. Vivian is worse than glory. You know it. Within your fucking asshole there, you know that Vivian is worse than glory. You know it. But because of say nowhere to go, I dig on your high. I will always stand here, life and the right, to tell you the fucking damn truth about yourself and about your atrocity. Bro,